Good afternoon, everybody. We're here at the Whitewater Preserve. I'm not feeling good today, so we're not going to do a hike or anything. We're just here wasting time. We're messing with some new toys. Well, they're not really toys. They're just things we're messing with. Check this out. I've found this at Walmart for $10. It's a aluminum can cable car. I've velcroed a GoPro to it, and we're just seeing how this thing's working. And it seems to be working okay. The batteries are dying already. But watch, when it goes up to the tree, it hits the tree, changes directions. It costs $10. You put it together. It was in the Christmas stocking stuffer type of aisle at Walmart. But we're giving it a shot. We're just messing around with it. And it's a beautiful day out here in Whitewater. It's in the mid-80s. No bighorn sheep yet today. Not too crowded here. It's actually pretty quiet. Yeah, the construction of this thing is not the greatest. It's run on rubber bands. That's what drives the pulleys right here. Two rubber bands. I'm going to be working on something a little better, because I actually want to do this, but it seems to work okay.